Established a decade ago, Lord Krishna College of Engineering or LKCE has been one of the many choices for students who are looking to pursue engineering or MBA in the Delhi NCR. Approved by the AICTE and affiliated to the UPTU, this institute is located at Ghaziabad in the NCR. It offers 4 years BTech in Civil Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, and Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and a 2-year MBA in Finance, Marketing, Human Resource, International Business, and Information Technology.
We provide the student the world's latest facilities in terms of the education, labs, libraries, and the placements. At this college, we organize some workshops, seminars. We also provide the students the technical trainings like PLC SCADA, Android, AutoCAD, etc. We join the industries to minimize the gap of the education with the industrial practical training.
Well, Lord Krishna does a lot of company interface for our students, wherein we develop a lot of industrial visits for our college. We organize a lot of seminars, technical seminars and workshops. In fact, the workshops are not only meant for in-house college, but we also looking for live workshops there in the plant, wherein the student actually understands what the industry is, how the industry works, what are the industry demands and all.
The infrastructure of the institute offers students a well-furnished library and classrooms and well-equipped laboratories.
Before taking the admission in this college, I visited many of the colleges nearby, but I find that the technical education is best over here. Here we have the workshops and industrial visit too, so that we get the idea that how the work is being done in the industries.
Rest we have a in-house publication, that is our newsletter. Besides the library facility over here, we have a lot of research papers of teachers which we can study in the reference section of library.
The institute has a Nescafe cafeteria on the campus and a mess which equips the hostels for both boys and girls.
As far as food quality is ensured, we have a food committee in charge which regularly inspects the food quality of a canteen as well as our hostels mass quality.
LKCE has established ties with some of the top companies for campus placements as well.
When we say 60% of students are getting the placement in our college, it means that the rest of the 40% students, they're either looking for higher studies or probably looking in for defense or any other government opportunities. We have a few of our top recruiters in our college like HCL, Wipro, Accenture, Invoice IT. We have technical companies calling in like Sterling and Wilson. We have Ericsson on board, we have Airtel on board, we have India Mart who are looking for MBA students of our college.
So if you're looking to find an option for BTech or MBA in the NCR, then you must pay a visit to Lord Krishna College of Engineering to know more.